welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we have our fried spinach wontons, our special wontons that were a hit. Screenshot, pause, click. All right, here we go. Grandmother. All right, it's very simple, everybody. It's what you put into your spinach that makes it pop. And we added in some bouillon into the thawed frozen spinach. We added in some feta cheese. We added in some garlic, minced garlic, everybody, okay? You added some onion powder if you want to. And also the bouillon we used actually the vegetable one, because the vegetable one, we had some vegetarian people that were there, so we went on and mixed it in with the spinach mixture here. That's what we use. But usually we'll do like chicken flavor bouillon. That's better than bouillons, what we use right there. But, you know, since you can use whatever you want. They have garlic, they have onion, and they have beef, and they have chicken. But anyway, so we're going to go ahead and take a tablespoon of the mixture, okay? Now, make sure you wring out your greens, everybody, because we see there's no moisture in our spinach. We didn't want it to be cold and runny and popping grease and stuff like that. So what we did is we scooped a tablespoon scooper out, and we put it into the center. You make sure it's in the center because we're going to fold the corners nice and perfectly into triangles, everybody, for an even fry, okay? And then this is just beautiful. This is so wonderful for the Super Bowl because it was nothing left. Trust me, this is the way how to get your children to eat vegetables. They're going to love this, everybody. You feed them babies their vegetables, okay? None of that, all that fast food stuff. So we're going to take our fingertips and then make sure they're clean. We don't play that. Eat that. Make sure their hands is clean and 14-inch fingernails and all that. That's just plain that. I'm sorry. Because, grandmother, you cannot talk about people's fingernails. I'm talking about it. Because how they go to the bathroom and they come back in the kitchen. Oh, no, grandmother. Okay. That's another segment. Okay, we ain't going to go there. So we're going to go ahead and press down these corner edges onto the wet parts that we wet up with our fingertips, okay, everybody? And it seals it up and makes it into nice, perfect pockets for frying. Now, here's a batch that we have done already. We have some wonderful vegetable oil that is heated up and ready to go. You know when it's ready. If you taste a little bit, not taste a little bit, I'm going to put a little water in the sprinkle and go pop, 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 or whatever, you know it's ready. So this is nice and hot, popping ready, everybody. It's not going to take long. It's only going to take about a minute or less for it to brown. You got to pay attention to the browning technique. Then we're going to flip it over. Okay, we're going to flip it over after it's nicely browned. Not too dark brown, okay, everybody, because it's going to cook really fast. You see that oil is really hot? And this is going to be delicious. Now, the feta cheese does not melt inside of it. And that's one thing about feta cheese. It keeps its consistency and the texture of it nicely being coarse. Then we go ahead and we're going to drain this onto a nice paper towel, everybody. Make sure it's drained just like you do your chicken and your pork chops and all the stuff. You don't want it to be greasy, okay? We're going to lay it onto paper towels. And look at that brownness right there. We flipped it back over for a second, but these are ready to go. And when we take them out, they still kind of turning dark a little bit from the oil. So don't be fooled by it, everybody. Now remember, it's going to be very delicious and healthy and nutritious for everybody. Everybody's going to love these. These are wonderful appetizers that we always have during our function, especially the Super Bowl party. We had a wonderful time now. March Madness is coming. Oh, yeah, basketball. Yes, this is wonderful for that too, everybody. And when they're doing the NFL drafts and all, this is perfect for parties, weddings, whatever it may be. Make sure you follow us on our YouTube channel because we have a lot more. But isn't this just beautiful? It is. And it's so delicious. Mouth watering, everybody. Make sure you guys follow us for more.